Today's the day that Joe and I are gonna cut this bed down and try to get the glass to sit on it. And what we're trying to do is also get the glass to sit on it and retain, most importantly, the tailgate and the bed itself. And we want it to look just like a factory a factory bed that you can put a dirt bike in and use. There's gonna be a lot of modifications here, and the bed is in rough shape, but we do metal work, and we got the technology to rough it in. So we're gonna get started on that today. There's a little before